Hey, it's Garrett here. It's a follow-up video and follow-up email here for you about the marketing system. Okay, so first of all, before I get into the second part of the marketing system, I want to give you a vision here because this vision is the reason that I'm involved with this program. Okay, so we're in the home business arena, right? I mean, maybe you're in an MLM, maybe you're in cash gifting, maybe you're in an online opportunity, whatever it is. We make our money by recruiting people into the opportunity, and hopefully the opportunity has a good product or service so that you feel like you're really doing value to people, okay? But the point is that we're in the people business. And being in the people business, we need to help people to succeed. And a lot of people who get into an opportunity or who would get into an opportunity don't have marketing skills. And that's no judgment on them. Marketing skills are not an easy thing to come by, okay? It takes a lot of hard work and dedication and focus and attention, trial and error to get good marketing skills. It can take a long time. It's taken me a long time to have any degree of marketing skills, okay? But this system that you're looking at is like a shortcut because people don't need any marketing skills and they can use the system to get results, okay? And I think that you see that. But the point I want to say is, what an incredible recruiting tool, what an incredible thing to do for your team members or for your prospective team members to be able to provide them with a turnkey marketing system that they can get involved with. This is the whole reason I'm doing this. And the reason is because it's going to separate you out from the pack. And it's going to separate your people out from the pack. Because they can provide, and you can provide, potential recruits and people that are already in your opportunity with a way to generate traffic to their website, with a way to have people to connect with on a daily basis, and that is worth its weight in gold. Okay, so I want you to understand the big picture here before I give you the details for how the whole thing fits together. Okay, so let's get into the details. What you looked at, what you saw a video of, a demonstration of, is what's called a scraping tool. Obviously it's called Scraper Pro. And there's basic, gold, and premium, as you saw, okay? And it has a one-up compensation plan. You can generate unbelievable income with this thing. I am, and the people that are involved with our team are doing the same thing. Okay, so what is a scraping tool and what is the value and how does it fit into marketing? Well, it revolves around the concept of reverse marketing leads. It revolves around the concept of marketing to people that are already in a home business because they understand the language, they've already made a positive buying decision, they're basically a laydown. I mean, I buy lots of opportunities and have bought through the years. Unfortunately, a lot of them I wasted my money on because I didn't have marketing tools, I didn't have marketing skills. And I'm sure that I'm not the only one. It probably has happened to you. It probably has happened to almost everybody in the home business arena more than once. Okay? So the point is, these are very good people to market to as opposed to opportunity seekers, which in my opinion are basically worthless. It's a worthless use of time and money to market to opportunity seekers. You want to market to people that are in a home business because the average person in a home business is in anywhere from 1 to 5 programs at any one given time. Okay? We all fall for the same bait. We all chomp on the same hook, and the hook is multiple streams of income and or that this next thing is going to be the big thing for us, okay? And that's good because we're always on the lookout. So anyway, this tool helps us to connect with those kinds of people, with our kinds of people, and there's a tremendous amount of value in that. I have been only marketing to reverse marketing leads for over 2 years, and it's made such a huge difference in my life, and I highly recommend it. So this is a scraping tool which allows you to scrape classified ad sites, search engines, and also if you get the premium version, it enables you to go after replicated websites. Okay? Now you can use the information to either email them or send them a voice broadcast, or if you want to, you can call them up one by one, although, you know, maybe you're a master at it. I never liked it. Most people don't like cold calling. Although it's not really cold calling because you were able to generate their phone number as a lead. Okay, having said that, if you're not in voice broadcasting, it's a great way to go, and this gives you phone numbers. And there's basically two systems that are the top of the line, iBuzz Pro and Phone Broadcast Club. Either one works fine. I'm an iBuzz Pro, but other people that are in Phone Broadcast Club report great results with it. So, it's your choice. Okay, so what I really want to get to here, the nitty gritty of how the system fits together, is a system that is going to allow you to send emails to these emails that you're harvesting or you're scraping online. It's an email system. It's from the same person who created the Scraper Pro. And for a limited time, if you get involved quickly, we're going to give you this software for free that is going to allow you to send emails to these people. And it's absolutely fantastic. All you have to do is have a hosting account with HostGator. If you already have one, it's about $7.95 a month. If you don't have one, it's about $30 to get set up, and then it's $7.95 a month. Very, very cheap for what you get. Okay? And so as soon as you buy, you're going to get the software that is going to enable you to do that. This is a full team effort. Now, another thing. I built a team video-based tutorial site which is going to show you all the steps. Now, this is the ultimate no-brainer. This is very simple, but it's also good to have somebody to hold your hand to guide you through the steps to get yourself up online. Not everybody has the same experience in doing things. For example, buying a domain name and pointing it at your website. The other thing is, we're going to do for you for free, absolutely free, the same website that you signed up with, the one with the 1 minute 10-second video, and the sign up thing which enables you to go into the back office and take a look. And we're going to put your picture on it for you if you want it. You give us the picture, we'll put it on there, and your name and your phone number. That's absolutely free for you. Completely free. It's provided by the team captain, Justin. Okay? And we're going to also set up your email sender, it's called ZipSender, on your HostGator account for you. Absolutely free for a limited time offer. We are going to be charging for this once this thing otherwise it's going to be getting out of hand. We're going to have way too many people and it's going to take too much time. But for now, because we're in the infancy of this team's version of Scraper Pro and the ZipSender, you can get it for free. I'm going to have to change this video at some point in the future, in the near future, when it's no longer for free, but for now it is.